You ever try watching YouTube TV on your Starlink and it won't stop lagging and buffering? In this video, I'll show you how you can fix slow Starlink for a much smoother YouTube TV streaming experience. Starlink is the best satellite internet solution right now, but there are still lots of ways it can give you connection issues. Before you try anything, make sure that your dish isn't obstructed. The easiest way to mess up your Starlink connection is to block your satellite dish. Obviously, you shouldn't have something covering your dish, but even if you don't, you might still have a tree or part of your roof partially obstructing your connection. Check the obstruction map in your Starlink app to make sure that your dishy has a clear view of the sky. Even if your dish is completely unobstructed, the connection can still be affected by a bunch of other factors. You could have a weak connection to your router. There could be interference from other Wi-Fi connections. There could just be drops in coverage as satellites move around. Or you could have an old faulty dish. So no matter what, you will experience little connection drops and packet loss. And this can affect your video streams. The secret to cutting out most of these issues is bringing an additional internet connection into the mix. That connection could be 4G, 5G, some DSL line, or even another Starlink. The more internet connections you combine with your Starlink, the more you can fill in any gaps in your connection stability. This keeps your internet fast even when your Starlink slows down. But you may be wondering, how do you combine another internet connection with your Starlink? It's easy. Just download Speedify. Speedify uses a unique technology called channel bonding to intelligently send and receive your internet traffic over multiple internet sources at the same time. It can even split a single stream at the packet level. This means you can increase your bandwidth as you add more connections, resulting in a smoother, crisper video on YouTube TV. Plus, if you want to add more cellular connections for even more bandwidth and stability, you don't need extra adapters. Speedify lets you wirelessly pair as many devices as you want to share their cellular over the local network. The more devices you pair, the stronger your connection will be. All you need to do is connect everyone to the same Wi-Fi or hotspot. Download Speedify for free on all your devices and pair phones in the Speedify app to share cellular. This is what we call pair and share. So if you're tired of issues with YouTube TV, you know what to do. Download Speedify today from the Google Play or Apple App Stores and enjoy a better, faster, more stable, and secure internet. If you want to learn more useful tech tips, subscribe to our channel for more videos.